Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about reproductions and modification in plants. These are the most important lessons, students. Already you learned a few things in your 6th standard. So in this lesson we are going to see about pollinations in plants. And in this lesson you can get a clear idea about how the flowers become fruits with seeds through pollinations and fertilization. In this lesson you will be learn about the pollinations and fertilizations, and there is a difference between self-pollinations and cross-pollination. And next you know the modifications of root, stem and leaf. So first we are going to see about reproduction. Okay. So first, what is reproduction? So listen carefully. The process by which plants and animals, okay, you underline that, the process by which plants and animals produce young ones, okay, it's produce young ones, okay, and it increase the number is also known as what? Reproduction. So you underline this, the reproduction. What is reproduction? The process by the plant and animals produce young one and it's increase their number. Okay, so this is known as reproduction. So for example, you can take a drumstick tree, isn't it? So by using of this drumstick tree, we can grow the plant by using of seeds or cutting the stem. Okay, so you can, by using of this, we can reproduce the drumstick tree. So in the reproductions, we are going to see about two types of reproduction. One is sexual reproduction and another one is asexual reproduction. So first we see the definition about sexual reproductions. Listen carefully. When the plants produce from the seed, okay, when the plant produce from the seeds is known as what? Sexual reproduction. And now you see the asexual reproduction, all the other way of reproduction without a seed. You underline this, okay, without a seed is known as asexual reproduction. Okay, from the with the seeds means, okay, with seeds means sexual reproduction, without seed means asexual reproduction. So now you are going to see about what is sexual reproduction. Okay, listen carefully, student. Seeds, already just now only we saw about this. Okay, with the seeds is known as sexual reproduction. Okay, so the seeds is produced from a flower. Okay, underline this, the seed is produced from a flower by the process of, there are two types, listen carefully, by the process of pollinations and fertilization. Okay, this is known as what? Sexual reproductions. Okay, students, listen carefully. The seeds is produced from a flower by the process of what? Pollinations and fertilization. So this is known as what? Sexual reproduction. Next, listen carefully, students. You can take the hibiscus flower. Okay, in Tamil we can call it as Chambarati Poo. Okay, so you can take the hibiscus flowers and you can dissect like this way. Okay, by using of this picture, you try to dissect it. Okay, you can take out the petals, sepals, okay, and stamen, etc. Okay, you just take one hibiscus flowers and by using of this picture, you can separate it easily. Okay, next you see this picture. Okay, sexual reproduction in plant. Okay, by using of the flowers, how the flowers can be pollinated and how it's fertilized and how this plant by using of seeds is produced into new plants. By using of this diagram you can easily understand it. Okay, you try to draw this diagram. Okay, it is very useful for us and this is a very important picture also when you go for 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard, etc. classes. If you take especially, you will learn these types of flowers and you want to dissect also and you want to know to draw this diagram. Okay, this is most important diagram, students. Okay, so thank you.